Hello guys, welcome to my channel Creative Punarvi. Today I'm going to unbox unicorn diary and these cute unicorn pencils. Let's unbox it. First the diary. If you open it, it's like a purse and I love the look purse. Here's it's written sparkle, a unicorn, and at the back also a unicorn. We open it like it and we can start writing. Like I want to write about my friend, I can write anything I want. Then you can close it and you can carry it anywhere you want. Best unicorn diary papers. And our second thing is the last thing, unicorn pencil. Let's unbox it too. Wait, I cannot open. I cannot see the system. Where they have not even given us the place where to open, and this is the place where I'm trying to open, but it's not opening. Wait, if we did like it. Guys, I'll come back after opening it. Guys, after so much hard work, finally it's opened. I was trying to open it here, but I came idle. It's got the side part. And this is the way from where we are gonna take out our pencils. Wow! This is the pencil, I love it. It's written baby shower. Baby shower, bro, what? Baby shower? Can't believe that. Let's see, and I want the logo. Oh, there's so many pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 pencils, bruh. This is going to work more than 1 year because love them. Cool. Keep it away. Bruh, they've given us something extra. Bruh, oh wow, I love it. It's a fish. As you can see, it's a fish, guys. Fish. And I've got a free logo of unicorn. Yay. I'll write a diary of unicorn. I love unicorn. Okay, I'll do a journal. I will do a journal soon on unicorn. Oh, green color. I don't like it. I have a pencil sharpener. I'll use that instead of this. But I love this. Let's try this. Why they have given us this shack? Put it here to where? Oh, now I understand. To put it here. Oh, something like this only. Oh. And now I understand. If we take out this eraser part, we can insert this fish easily in a pencil. Yeah. Now, sometimes I will put the fish and the eraser. I love this surprise, and if you will do 100 subscribers soon, I'm gonna post a tutorial on animate girl drawing. So please do 100 subscribers fast. I wanna beat my bro. He has 150 around it. I'll check it, and we have to beat him, guys, because he thinks that game is everything. Game is everything, bro. But we have to tell him that the game is not everything. I also love, but sometimes I love this. Let's see the experience of writing this pencil. Let me sharp this. Iron dial. Oh, what camera? It's okay. It's not. Sharp it again. It's not. It's not. Bruh, where is this? This is not shopping. Wait guys, let me go outside, shop this all, and then I'll come. Guys, I've sharpened the pencil a little bit. Oh yes, you can see. Now let's write it on the last page. Diary. Wait, we open it. It's the blue area, sorry, but we'll... Wait guys. Like this. It's like this. But what happened to my mind? I'm gonna write here like and subscribe. As you can see guys, I've written like and subscribe. Now let's rub it and see its eraser test. See? Oh, it's leaking. It's leaving the purple. Eraser is failed guys. Well, eraser is failed, but eraser is not working that much, as you can see. And as we have got this with us too, so keep it. We'll put the fish here. It's cool, I love it. Oh wait, we can put it in a plain pen also, and we can decorate that. Should I do dye pencil? For that, please do 50 subscribers, okay? And the experience, I love it, but its pencils eraser is not working. I don't know why, but I love the diary. Bye-bye.